Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Prasad and Guru Prasad. What is Krishna Prasad? What is the mercy of Krishna and what is the mercy of Guru? Huh? Understand anything? Huh? What is that? Huh? Bolo? What is Krishna Prasad? What is the mercy of Krishna? By the mercy of Krishna one meets Guru. That is the mercy of Krishna. Understand? Then by the mercy of Guru one gets Krishna. Understand? That is Krishna Prasad, Guru Prasad. Understand? That is what we should understand. When one cries from the core of his heart for Krishna, then Krishna makes arrangement, because no direct approach. He must come through Guru, his dear devotee. Without acceptance of Guru, without taking shelter of the lotus feet of Guru, without serving Guru, without getting mercy from Guru, nobody can approach Krishna. No direct approach. Therefore, Krishna makes arrangement. Krishna understood Dhruva is now crying for me. One has to cry. Yes, those who have cried, they have gotten. Dhruva cried, he got. Billa Mangala cried, he got. Yes. Unless you cry, how can you get? Mr. Anil, you are not crying. Lots of lives you have already undergone. How many lots more will you undergo? Unlimited. You have to cry. This is the lesson one should learn from Dhruva Charita. In Kathopanishad you'll find, Namatma pravacanena labhyana medhayana bahuna sutena jamaveisa brunite tena labhyastasesatma vibrunite tanuswan. Understand? Namatma pravatan labhyana medhayana bahuna sutena jamaveisa brunite tena labhyastasesatma vibrunite tanuswan. Who is there in the heart? Paramatma Nona Chaitya Guru. Guru Chaitya Bapusa. Another verse is there. When he understands this person Anil is crying for me, Guruba is crying for me, he understands, he's in the heart. Then he makes arrangement. Namatma pravachan labdhano medhaya bhuna sudena. You cannot understand this Isha Tattva, Paramahatma Tattva by your mental speculation, by your merit, intelligence, learning, scholarship, or hearing so many pravachanas from so many pandits, karmis, jnanis, yogis, scholars, cannot understand. You follow? Namatma pravachan labdhyano medhayana bahuna sutena jamaveisa brunute tena labhyas tasesatma vibrunute tanusam. Who is there in the heart? When he hears crying, oh, he is crying to get me, to meet me, to approach me. So how can I understand him? Jigyasu, who is very intuitive to understand Supreme Lord. Chaturvidha bhadantamang Buddha. Sukradin Arjuna. Arti, Arthati, Jigyasu, Jnani-cha Bharatarsava. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, 4 types of devotees. They do my bhajan. Arti, Arthati, they are Sukradina, not Duskradina. Understand my language? Arti, Arthati, Jigyasu, Jnani. who is in dangerous situation, has put in danger, he prays to Supreme Lord, please help me take out of this danger. Isn't it? Arthi or Sarthi? Huh? Who is very poor, suffering out of poverty. You understand? He prays to Lord, please help me. I am suffering out of poverty. Give me wealth. Huh? There will be no poverty. Do you follow? Then Jigyasa is very inquisitive, how to know Supreme Lord. You understand? He prays. He does bhajan. And Jnani wants to get transcendental knowledge, Jnana. He also does bhajan, tatra vidha bhajanta mahang jnana. Sukridina Arjuna. They are Sukridina. Huh? Do you follow? So, when they offer, when they cry, Krishna who is there in Paramatma, then he assumes a body. Vibrunti tanuswam. He assumes a body and appear in the form of Guru before him. Do you understand? Krishna, Guru Rupa Hana Shastrera Pramani. Chaitanya Chaitanya Kaviraj Goswami. Krishna Guru Rupa Hana Shastrera Pramani. This is Shastra Praman. Krishna assumes the body of a Guru and appears. You understand? With Chaitya Guru, who is there in the heart, Paramatma, he appears when one cries for him, how to know him, how to understand him, how to get him. That is real Guru. Otherwise nobody can understand that Isha Tattva, Bhagavat Tattva, Paramatma Tattva unless he speaks. Understand? Unless he speaks. Krishna যদি কৃপা করেন কোন ভাগ্যবানে গুরু অন্তর্যামী রূপে শিখায় আপনে গুরু রূপে কৃষ্ণ কৃপা করেন ভক্তজনে এর চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত Krishna shows us his mercy on some bhagyavan, some fortunate jiva. He appears as Guru. Guru antarjami rupe and teaches him. Guru rupe Krishna krupa koren bhakta jane in the form of Guru. Krishna showers his mercy. Therefore Guru is known as Krishna Kripa Sri Murti. Krishna Kripa Sri Murti. Krishna Kripa, mercy of Krishna assumes a body, that is Guru. Understand? Krishna Kripa Sri Murti is Guru. This is Guru Tattva. By the mercy of Krishna, one gets Guru. Then by the mercy of Guru, one gets Krishna. And when Dhruva cried, Krishna understood it. So he made arrangement. He met his Guru. That is Narada Muni. Understand? He met his Guru, Narada Muni. Narada Muni appeared.